Channel.
Hello guys, wait lang. There. Papunta na naman kami doon sa aming colony. Maingay kasi yung ano siya, heater. So papunta na naman kami sa aming colony guys, and we're gonna clean up there and hoping we're able to do a lot of things today. So yun, ang ginaw. At pink na pink tayo kasi yung other jacket ko ay sobrang dumi from yesterday and also this morning. So, ito na muna. And anyway, I'm just gonna be inside the house. So, hindi siya ganon ka-lamig. Good thing. At I just want two.
Just want to.
2 cheeseburgers. That's it. And then, yeah. So, kain na lang kami ng McDonald's again. Very fast. Para ready na because ano na guys, pag 2:40 na dito, around mga almost 4, didilim na naman, at pag dumilim na naman, so yung ano, laziness, sickness ay travelo again.
Take your order, sir. I'm taken by surprise. She's got a gentle kindness in her smile and a shining in her eyes. I need for her to see that I am not like other guys. I'll take a 6-piece McNugget and a small.
So guys, ito na. Medyo okay na siya. Medyo may space na dyan. And we're just gonna arrange it tomorrow. Ito yung parang, basta yung plano ko, yung mga gifts na paglalaroan namin is nandyan. Tapos dito yung magiging food namin, food area. Basta, at least medyo okay na siya right now. Pero tomorrow we have to wash everything and then vacuum clean again para maging malinis talaga. And then I'm gonna put a table there and see how it will work out. There. Hello guys, Martin is buying food right now. So, nasa car lang muna ako. Ang ginaw, grabe. And then, pakita ko sa inyo yung view ko. Sobrang ganda. I mean, hindi sobrang ganda. Pero feel mo na talaga yung Christmas. Pag ganito talaga, no, nakakamiss ang Pinas. As in yung, iba talaga yung Paskong Pinas. But anyway, this is where I am right now. So, yun, pakita ko. There, so nasa, ako guys, nasa sasakyan lang ako. I don't wanna go out because it's really cold. Tapos, magna-9 na ng gabi. So, close na yung mga stores. There. Ganda. Wow! Ang ganda. Every year talaga yan.
Heavily, it's like and then not so much,
Yeah, not so much.
but still a lot.
Wow! Christmas is in the air.